Hi there, I thought we would do a quick video on Trader Joe's and pumpkin season. So it is the best time of year, which is fall, and all of their Halloween and Thanksgiving themed items are out. So we're gonna go through quite a few, and if you like these type of videos, please let me know any other Trader Joe's products that you might wanna see. So first off, pumpkins. They sell tiny pumpkins and big pumpkins, and just like their flowers are reasonably priced, their pumpkins are pretty reasonable in cost. Pumpkin flavored cinnamon rolls. Of course, these are delicious and really easy to make. Autumnal Harvest Creamy Pasta Sauce. To be honest, this one's not my favorite. Normally their spaghetti sauce and marinara is excellent. This one, I just didn't really care for the mix of pumpkin butternut squash with the tomato. But you try it out and decide for yourself. Then they have pumpkin flavored yogurt. I really like Trader Joe's yogurt, just their plain or their vanilla flavored, but their pumpkin is also pretty good. And it's got a nice pumpkin flavor. It's not overwhelming, but it's there. Pumpkin soup. This one is actually really delicious. Pumpkin bisque. Cookies, pumpkin spice cookies, and Halloween Jojos and pumpkin Jojos. The pumpkin spice cookies are good. The Jojos I'm not a huge fan of, but a lot of people love them. Pumpkin ice cream, it's amazing. And if you see its friend there, coffee bean ice cream, that is also really good. Pumpkin cranberry crisps. These are pretty good, kind of like crispy crackers. And then they have their ginger brew, which is pumpkin flavored. Pumpkin pie spice ginger brew sparkling beverage. And I will zoom in so you can see the ingredients. This one is tasty and it comes in a nice bottle. However, it is a very mild pumpkin flavor, if anything at all. There is no pumpkin in here. There's only the spices, which is why it says pumpkin pie spiced. I don't even detect cinnamon or anything. It just tastes like kind of a mild ginger ale, which is good. I like ginger ale. It's just I could have a little more pumpkin in my pumpkin flavored items sometimes. So this is good. It's got mixed with apple juice and it comes in this reusable bottle. Pumpkin tortilla chips. These are really good. A lot of their chips are kind of amazing. Fall harvest salsa. Also not my favorite. For some reason, the mix of like tomato and spicy and pumpkin in this one just doesn't really go very well together. But I'm sure that some people like it. Don't forget your puppies. They even have dog treats that are flavored with pumpkin. Obviously, I didn't try these, but my dog seemed to like them. A whole plethora of pumpkin items. They also have some ghost bat Halloween things, which I have not yet tried. A little haunted gingerbread house, which is adorable. Some more Halloween stuff. Pumpkin spiced tea and pumpkin coffee, and then of course harvest trail mix, which has a little bit of cinnamon. There's Halloween gummies and pumpkin cereal, pumpkin O's, and of course they have pumpkin flavored oatmeal, which is a classic. They even have pumpkin spice face masks and of course classic pumpkin seeds. And they do sell canned pumpkin, and they also in their freezer section have frozen pie crust if you want to make your own pie. They also have a cookie mix, which is pumpkin chocolate chunk, and they have maple butter, which is amazing, apple cider jam, and pumpkin butter. So I have ginger root infused maple syrup and normal maple syrup, which is a pretty good price for maple syrup, which can be kind of pricey. They have vanilla bean maple syrup, and they have more of that pumpkin tea. They have apple flavored granola, maple pecan cookie mix, pumpkin spice almond beverage, pumpkin spice Rooibos tea, and pumpkin spice coffee. Pumpkin butter, which is kind of similar to a jam, and caramel sauce, which are both very good. Pumpkin pancake mix, which is very good. I think it could use a little more cinnamon, but you can always add some more pumpkin pie spice at home if you want. Or you could add canned pumpkin to almost anything like your waffles to get a more pumpkin flavor. If you like these type of videos, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.